to do your social media posts, but you don't want or don't have the time to schedule them out, always forgetting about them. So today I noticed something that we could try in GoHighLevel. You can actually schedule out your posts and ask AI. There's a new button feature here that just came out the other week. We are testing out for our own business. So here you can actually see it scheduled out all these posts. We told it to do it only on Tuesday and Fridays at 9 o'clock because that's what it recommended for our audience. And it's going to put them across our Google business profile page, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. We're also asking it to create the graphics, to create the content, to create the hook, and to then schedule it out in GoHighLevel in their social media planner. So how we did this real quick is we went into ChatGPT. We asked it to write some content on direction knowing about our business already. And what it came up with was a prompt, but we found out that the prompt was too big or too much. And when we were prompting it up here, you'll see we went to Ask AI. This is the prompt we put in, create a 30-day schedule, and we kind of told it to keep it simple and captions and hooks and all that stuff. But one thing that we ran into was it did not know our brand because I had not set up the brand board. So it was trying to create its own logo. I told it the colors it used, but it still was having a little issues. So how we fix that is if you go into your marketing, click on brand boards, create your own brand board and GoHighLevel. It'll look like something like this. You just put in your colors and your logo. Then going forward, when you go into Ask AI in GoHighLevel up here and give it the prompt to schedule out your posts for social media, it actually was able to do it pretty well. So this is kind of us just trial and error here. I told it to, before it schedules it, let me see it. So post 2 here, you can see it came up with a graphic. Again, it was trying to put the logo in, so that's when I was refining. I said, that's not our logo, don't use that. So it took it out. It said it's gonna schedule it Tuesday, 9 o'clock, put across these platforms, social media. It created all the content to go with it and the graphic. And then it asked me, do you want to schedule this out? And so we're really trying to figure out, can it do this for us to save us some time so we don't have to go in one by one and create it? We can actually use Ask AI in GoHighLevel. And it actually was able to schedule it out. So follow along with us in other videos to see if this is actually working, if this actually helps. Why we're doing this is trying to, just another piece in the puzzle for SEO and having consistent content out there. I know myself running an agency, sometimes I don't always want to be on social media and I don't hire people to do it because I can do it. So this is another avenue that you can do pretty simple, is have AI in GoHighLevel schedule out all your posts for you if you tell it a little direction of what type of content you want and get your brand out there. If you don't have GoHighLevel, we have a link down below that you can sign up through us. Or if you want to just keep watching videos, we show how to do more tutorials like this to help grow your brand, your business on our channel. And appreciate you. And stay tuned for our next video. Let us know below comments if you've tried any of the Ask AI and GoHighLevel or you just need help. All right, thank you for your time.